So we're down here at the fireworks. It's just a 10-minute show tonight. Very privately run, but we're allowed to watch from Elizabeth Quay through the arch. Not a big crowd down here, but there's a happy crowd. Don't forget to watch my other videos. Still praising the Lord, are you? That's good. Happy are they who trust in the Lord. Get saved, never to... Oh, that's a beauty. Well... This is the Fireworks Australia Day 2021. 26th of January. It's going to be a good year. If you're born again, it's going to be a very good year. But if you're not, it might be a bit iffy biffy. Whoa! Whoa! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Haven't got many subscribers. Looks like I'll be winning the record for the least number of viewers and subscribers. They usually save the best till last. Whoa! Well, that's it. See you next week.